Question 1. Alanine and the Cahill cycle. A 22-year-old male athlete undergoes prolonged fasting. In muscle cells, pyruvate is transaminated to alanine, which travels to the liver for gluconeogenesis. Which of the following enzymes is responsible for this reaction? A. Pyruvate dehydrogenase. B. Alanine aminotransferase, LT. C. Lactate dehydrogenase carboxylase. E. Glucose 6-phosphatase. B. Alanine aminotransferase, AL. Explanation. ALT requires vitamin B6, catalyzes the conversion, pyruvate plus glutamate, alanine plus A-ketoglutar. This is the Cahill cycle, which transfers nitrogen to the liver for urea disposal and supports gluconeogenesis during fasting. Question 2. Pyruvate carboxylase role. Which of the following enzymes is activated during gluconeogenesis and uses biotin B7 as a cofactor to convert pyruvate into a TCA cycle intermediate? A. Pyruvate dehydrogenase. B. Pyruvate carboxylase. C. Phosphoenolpyruvate carboxykinase. D. Glucose 6-phosphatase. E. Lactate dehydrogenase. Correct answer B. Pyruvate carboxylase requires biotin B7, catalyzes pyruvate CO2 plus ATP, oxaloacetate ADP. This enzyme functions in gluconeogenesis and TCA cycle replenishment anaplerosis, activated by acetyl-CoA. Question 3. Pyruvate dehydrogenase function. A patient is given thiamine supplementation before glucose infusion. This is to prevent neurologic damage in deficiency of which enzyme? A. Alanine aminotransferase. B. Pyruvate carboxylase. C. Lactate dehydrogenase. D. Pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, PDC. E. Glucose 6-phosphatase. Correct answer, D. Pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, PDC. Explanation. Thiamine, B1, is required by PDC, which catalyzes pyruvate plus NAD plus CoA, acetyl-CoA plus CO2 plus NADH, thiamine deficiency, PDC activity, pyruvate accumulates, converted to lactate, leads to lactic acidosis, S-point in alcoholics or Wernicke encephalopathy. Question 4. Cori cycle and NAD regeneration. A 10-year-old boy runs a 400-meter sprint. In his active muscle tissue, pyruvate is rapidly converted to lactate. What is the primary metabolic benefit of this reaction? A. Produces ATP directly in mitochondria. B. Generates NADH for oxidative phosphorylation. C. Supplies acetyl-CoA for gluconeogenesis. D. Regenerates NAD for glycolysis. E. Traps pyruvate in the cytoplasm. Correct answer, D. Regenerates NAD for glycolysis. Explanation. Lactate dehydrogenase, LDH, requires niacin B3, converts pyruvate NADH lactate. This regenerates NAD, which is needed to sustain anaerobic glycolysis in RBCs, WBCs, kidney medulla, cornea, lens, and testicular Sertoli cells. The Cori cycle shuttles lactate to the liver for gluconeogenesis. Would you like